What's up, guys? It's your boy M3 Fabe back with another E36 vlog as usual. Today's the day, as you can see behind me, the S52 is going back into the E36. It was really random. This wasn't planned at all. Fabe hit me yesterday and said, yo, he's gonna bring the motor tomorrow. We're gonna put it in the car. I said, I bet, let's do this. So right now, we got it he's jacking it up, putting on some stands. The motor is right there. Transmission's already on and everything like that. So yeah, we're just gonna put it in there. We're not gonna connect nothing like that, just have it resting. Probably gonna put the transmission brace on, and that's about it. But yeah, we're making progress, guys. The engine bay still looks clean. A little dusty, but there ain't nothing I can't clean.
You come down. Come down. Try to kick the legs off.
Not moving. Hold that. To level it out, right?
To like pull up the transmission.
Yeah. So since we're doing it like this, as he puts the motor in, I'm gonna try to tilt the transmission up so it can like level out, if that makes sense to y'all.
Push up on the transmission.
Hold on, let me use both my hands. We forgot to take the fucking bolt off the motor mount. You can see the dedication to this project and working in a backyard with no shop, no lift. I'm literally laying on the floor right now. There go the diff, that non-LSD diff that I'm gonna eventually take out and put the other diff in that I'm working on. So yeah, as she lowers this motor in, I'm basically using my muscles to like push up the transmission. Go up again. All right, let me put this down. So now 2 parts of the strap broke off the hoist. The motor ain't really fault because it's already kind of on there. But now we gotta get something else that could take all the tension to hold the motor up to the engine hoist. But since the straps broke, we're about to go see, get something to hook back up to the engine hoist so we can lift the motor up from the front and then slide it back in. And also find some little bolts here and there. So, quick intermission.
You see that 13? It look like this?
No, sure. It's the same length?
Yeah. It's a little bit shorter. No. That's good.
Now we're heading back to the E36. Hurry up and complete this job for the day. Ugh. Ugh. Condo motor mounts, condo transmission mounts. Running everything condo on this car. That should be easy to use so that the hook could connect to it.
Send that shit in as much as I can. I don't want that shit to totally throw something.
You want me to go underneath from now? Be back, guys.
Hook that engine mount on.
Alright, hold, let me get around there. That's all.
There you go. Lord.
So, he's putting the arm back on because when we was trying to get it in, the arm kept getting stuck on the ABS wires over there for some reason. So he took it off, and then we took one of them old green pieces of the strap because every time we tried to lift the motor, it would hitch towards the passenger side of the car, and I couldn't really push it from underneath because that shit's heavy as fuck. So he hooked it up to the chain, then what was that, to the back of the motor to line up straight. And now we here. Motor on the mounts. Where the hell I put that other bolt? Fabe is putting up the transmission mounts. Motor is in. Let's fucking go. Should look good. Just like that. With the clean engine. My guy Fabe. Always coming through for the hardest jobs. The little shit I could do. It'd be shit like this I'll be needing help with.
Get back together as friends again.
Facts. Yo!
Guys have a long talk. Each other. Get each other pumped up.
Ah, that shit looking good.
You already know the little things that you could do. You do your valve cover and stuff. Get those studs. You already studded up for your manifold. Gaskets. You actually, you already know. Line that up, make that look good. Overall though, about to start cooking.
Facts.
About to start cooking. About to start.
Damn. Sean, last time I seen the motor in my car, I was fucking put together. Shit. I just have to look at it one more time. Everything is back together now. The rack and pinion is back on. Steering wheel is straight on the inside. My good steering wheel. Actually gotta put the center piece, center cap, or the horn, whatever you wanna call it. I gotta put that back. But damn, look at this thing, man. I had this motor forever. Now it's fully built. Sitting in the E36. But Fabe is the man, bro. I promise you. I swear to God. So the motor's back in, as you guys see. We just finished, well, Fabe just finished tying up the motor mounts, the rack and pinion. Steering wheel is straight. First time it's been straight in forever. But, yeah. The front bumper support, I'll put all that stuff back on another time. But it's looking good so far. I'm gonna order, actually I gotta order a thermostat, some sensors. I got new hardware for up here and all that. We just ain't put them in today. And then I got my M50 manifold. I'm gonna get that powder coated. And then we're gonna use that.
Yeah, your M50 manifold powder coated?
I said M50. The M50 valve cover, powder coated. And then, yeah, that's it for now. I still got to deal with my rear subframe. Actually, huh? Nah, I got to move it up, yeah. So I still got to deal with the differential. I painted it, I posted it on my gram, but I did one quick coat on the case cover. Or the differential cover. I said case cover. Case cover, differential cover, same thing. Yeah, then all the new hardware came. Where is it? So all the new bolts came. Oh, this is gonna look good in there. I did a mock-up the other night and I put it on my Instagram. On my M3 Instagram. But I'm gonna drop a video for that real soon. Because that's not gonna take that long. I still have to paint the differential itself, then put everything back together, fill it with fluid, and change. Oh, I gotta just show you guys the flange bolts I bought. So these are the bolts for the cover for the differential, and then I bought some new flange bolts. Instead of using the older ones, these gonna look real good on it, especially when I repaint those black. So, but I'm excited as fuck. Oh my God, my motor's back in. It's so close to finishing my project, getting the car back on the road, installing this max ECU, and a bunch of other stuff. Turbo manifold, so much things we got left to do. But thank you guys for watching my progress. Hit that subscribe, hit that like. It's your boy M3.